Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In the beginning, before time and space were conceived, the universe was a boundless sea of potential, filled with the divine essence of the Creator. This essence manifested as the tree of life, a radiant structure composed of 10 luminous Sefirot. These spheres were not just realms but living expressions of the Creator's attributes. Keter, Chokmah, Bina, Chest, Gavura, Tifrit, Netzach, Hod, Yesod, and Malkuth. Together, they formed the blueprint of existence, linking the heavens to the material world.
But even in this perfect creation, there was discord. Some of the Creator's most powerful angels, beings of immense light and wisdom, grew discontent. Led by the brightest of all, Lucifer, they yearned for independence and dominion. This rebellion led to their fall, casting them out of the highest heavens into the lower realms, where they became known as fallen angels. Their influence would echo through the ages, challenging the souls of mortals who sought to ascend the tree of life.
The beginning of the journey in a small village at the edge of a vast desert, a young woman named Seraphina lived a simple life. Despite the mundane routines of daily existence, she felt a deep, inexplicable longing for something greater. Night after night, Seraphina dreamed of a magnificent tree made of light, its branches reaching out into infinity. Each dream filled her with a profound sense of peace and purpose.
One evening, while collecting water from the village well, an old traveler approached her. His eyes sparkled with ancient wisdom, and he carried a staff engraved with symbols she had seen in her dreams. He introduced himself as Azrael, a guide for those who sought the divine path. "Seraphina," he said, "you have been chosen to embark on a sacred journey. The tree of life calls to you. You must ascend through the 10 heavens, confront the fallen angels, and seek the face of God." Though overwhelmed by the enormity of his words, Seraphina felt a surge of courage. She knew this was the purpose she had been searching for. Malkuth, the earthly realm Azrael, led Seraphina to the base of the tree of life, where the journey would begin. The first Sefirot, Malkuth, was the realm closest to the material world. It was a place of physical existence where the spiritual and earthly met. As she stepped into Malkuth, Seraphina felt the weight of her physical form, yet also a grounding sense of connection to the earth. In Malkuth, she encountered the first challenge, the temptation of comfort and complacency. The fallen angel Belial, master of earthly desires, appeared before her. "Why strive for the divine when you can have all the pleasures of the world?" he whispered, conjuring images of wealth, power, and indulgence. Seraphina felt the pull of his words but remembered Azrael's guidance. She closed her eyes and focused on the light within, the spark of the divine that connected her to the Creator. "These are illusions. Belial, true fulfillment comes from the Creator's love, not earthly pleasures." With her declaration, Belial's illusions shattered, and the path to the next heaven opened. Seraphina had passed her first test.
Yesod. The foundation ascending to Yesod, Seraphina entered a realm of dreams and imagination, where the subconscious mind wove its intricate tapestries. Here she faced her own doubts and fears, reflected back at her by the fallen angel Lilith. Lilith, queen of night and shadow, attempted to ensnare Seraphina in a web of illusion.
"Why do you pursue this impossible quest?" Lilith taunted. "You are but a mortal, fragile, and fleeting." Seraphina, though shaken, summoned her inner strength. "I am more than my fears. I am a soul destined for higher purpose." She channeled the light of her spirit, dispelling Lilith's shadows and revealing the path forward.
Hod. The realm of splendor in Hod, Seraphina found herself amidst a realm of intellectual brilliance and creativity. It was a place where the mind could soar to incredible heights, but also where arrogance and pride could lead one astray. Here she encountered Samael, a fallen angel who thrived on the pride of knowledge.
Samael offered Seraphina great wisdom and power, hoping to ensnare her in the vanity of intellect. With this knowledge, you could rule kingdoms, shape destinies. Why seek the Creator when you could become as powerful as the angels themselves? Seraphina, however, recognized the trap. True wisdom comes from humility and service to the divine, not from the pride of intellect. She humbled herself, praying for guidance, and a path of light emerged, leading her to the next Sefirot.
Netzach. The realm of eternity, Netzach, the realm of eternity and endurance, was a place of enduring love and unyielding will. Here, Seraphina faced the fallen angel Asmodeus, who embodied lust and destructive passion. Asmodeus tried to tempt her with visions of everlasting pleasure and power over others.
"Join me, and you will experience desires beyond your wildest dreams," he promised, his voice a seductive whisper. But Seraphina, holding onto her love for the Creator, resisted. True love is selfless and pure, not tainted by selfish desire. "I seek the eternal love of the divine." Her unwavering resolve banished Asmodeus, and she ascended further up the tree of life.
Tiferet, the realm of beauty. Tiferet, the heart of the tree, was a realm of divine beauty and harmony. It was where the spiritual and physical realms converged in perfect balance. Here, Seraphina encountered the archangel Raphael, a being of immense light and healing.
Raphael did not challenge her with temptation, but instead offered guidance. Tiferet represents the balance of mercy and judgment, love and power. To ascend further, you must embody this balance within yourself. Seraphina meditated deeply, aligning her soul with the harmony of Tiferet. She felt a profound sense of peace and beauty, realizing that the divine was not just a distant goal but a presence within her. With Raphael's blessing, she continued her ascent.
Gevura, the realm of severity. Gevura, the realm of severity and strength, was a place of discipline and justice. Here, Seraphina faced the fallen angel Azrael, who thrived on chaos and destruction. Azrael sought to break her spirit with visions of war, suffering, and despair.
"Why fight for a world filled with pain and injustice?" he snarled. "Embrace the power of destruction and rule through fear." But Seraphina stood firm. "Strength lies in justice and protection, not in tyranny and destruction. I will use my strength to uphold the Creator's will." Her resolve banished Azrael's chaos, and she ascended to the next realm.
Chest, the realm of kindness. And Chest, the realm of kindness and benevolence, Seraphina encountered the fallen angel Astaroth, who tempted her with false generosity and empty promises of salvation. "Save the world through your own power," Astaroth urged. "Become a savior worshipped by all."
Seraphina, however, understood that true kindness came from humility and selflessness. Salvation comes from the Creator, not from the pride of mortals. "I will serve through love and humility." Her pure heart dispelled Astaroth's illusions, and she moved closer to the divine. Bina, the realm of understanding. Bina, the realm of understanding and contemplation, was a place of profound insight and wisdom. Here, Seraphina faced the fallen angel Belphegor, who tried to entrap her in despair and apathy. "Understanding the world's suffering will only lead to despair. Give up your quest," he whispered. But Seraphina, contemplating the nature of existence, found hope in her understanding. With understanding comes empathy, and with empathy comes the strength to heal and transform. Her insight dispelled Belphegor's darkness, revealing the path to Chokmah.
Chokmah, the realm of wisdom. In Chokmah, the realm of divine wisdom, Seraphina encountered the archangel Metatron, the scribe of God. Metatron did not challenge her but offered the final piece of guidance. Chokmah represents the pure, unfiltered wisdom of the Creator. To ascend to Keter, you must embody this wisdom within your soul.
Seraphina meditated deeply, opening herself to the divine wisdom of Chokmah. She felt a profound connection to the Creator, realizing that wisdom was not just knowledge but a living, dynamic presence within her. With Metatron's blessing, she ascended to Keter.
Keter, the crown at last. Seraphina reached Keter, the highest Sefirot, the crown of the tree of life. Here she stood before the face of God, a presence of infinite light and love. Overwhelmed by the divine radiance, she felt her soul dissolve into pure bliss and unity.
The Creator spoke to her, not in words but in a language of light and love. "You have journeyed through the 10 heavens, faced the fallen angels, and sought the divine within yourself. You are now ready to become a vessel of my light and love in the world." In that moment, Seraphina understood that the journey was not just about reaching the divine but becoming one with it. She had transformed, her soul illuminated with the light of the Creator. Seraphina returned to the earthly realm forever changed. She became a beacon of light and love, guiding others on their own journeys up the tree of life. Her story inspired countless souls to seek the divine within themselves, to face their inner challenges, and to strive for unity with the Creator. And thus, the story of the 10 heavens, the tree of life, the fallen angels, and the face of God became a timeless tale of spiritual ascent, reminding humanity of its divine potential and the eternal quest for enlightenment.